Right now, as you watch this video, a quiet yet intense race is unfolding behind the scenes of global tech. The US, China, and Europe are pouring billions into the next big revolution. Humanoid robots that look and maybe even act just like us. But who's going to win this race? And more importantly, are we ready to live side by side with machines that resemble human beings so closely? At a recent Hannover Messe, one of the world's largest industrial trade fairs, a robot called G1, created by Chinese company Unitree, stole the show. Standing just over 4 feet tall, it wowed the crowd by dancing, performing martial arts, and even reacting to people around it. It was like watching a sci-fi character come to life. Well, in metal form. People laughed, waved, and even apologized when bumping into it. For a moment, it felt like this robot had a soul. And G1 is far from alone. Companies around the globe are racing to crack the humanoid code. Why? Because this isn't just a tech gimmick. A humanoid robot could become a tireless worker, no sick days, no paychecks. Or imagine a next-gen household assistant doing laundry, cooking, even cleaning. But here's the catch. We're not quite there yet. The AI behind these bots still struggles with complex logic in unpredictable environments, like, say, your living room. Even so, big names are betting big. Elon Musk's Tesla is working on Optimus, a humanoid robot that could soon be walking factory floors. BMW, Hyundai, and other automakers are also testing humanoids in their facilities. Tens of thousands of robots are already in use or under development. And while they're performing well in controlled environments like warehouses and assembly lines, bringing them into our daily lives, that's a different story. In this high-stakes race, China is making all the right moves. With a massive manufacturing ecosystem and strong government support, it's pulling ahead in both innovation and investment. Just look at the G1. It's priced at a surprisingly affordable $16,000. In Shanghai, state-backed training centers are already teaching humanoid robots to handle complex tasks, while Western companies face higher costs and dependence on Chinese supply chains. British entrepreneur Bren Pearce knows this firsthand. His robot, the KR1, built by his startup Kinesi, was designed in the UK but will be manufactured in Asia to keep costs down. And he's ditching the humanoid legs for wheels. If your robot's working in a warehouse with flat floors, why overcomplicate it, he says. For Pearce, the key isn't the shape, it's the software. His goal is to create bots that are so user-friendly, any worker can operate them after just a few hours of training. Despite all the breakthroughs, even the experts agree. A humanoid robot you can bring home is still years away. Pearce, who's spent decades dreaming of a do-it-all machine, admits we're still 10 to 15 years from that becoming a reality. But make no mistake, the race is on. And whoever gets there first could redefine the way we live, work, and maybe even form connections. So what do you think? Will we someday have a robot at home washing dishes or watching the kids? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. The future is closer than you think. See you next time.